Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I've been waiting for this day because last week I was supposed to get my cards because I have money, but the guy at GameStop, he had said that wait for next week because then the new set's gonna come out. So it's next week and this is when they barely came out. And it's called Scarlet and Violet Palalda Evolved. So I'm gonna open because I got 3 of these because my budget was like $25. So I got 3 of them. And then the Scarlet and Violet, he said that not for the new set, they're not gonna, because there's a two packs and get one free, right? And he said for the new one you can't do that. So I was thinking I could get more packs if I just get the older ones, but Scarlet and Violet was a choice, so I got 2 and got 1 free. So I'm gonna do like a pattern. I'm gonna do Scarlet and Violet and then the new one. So I'm gonna open the Gyarados one first. Oh, it even became a Gyarados. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. It's always so hard to open these. I don't know why. I'm gonna take it off camera so I can try opening it. Okay, I was able to get it open. Oh, it's a white code card. So we got Slowpoke, Wartroll, Zagzagoon, Krogunk, Sandaconda, Katie, Scraptor, Slowpoke, Clauncher, and a Palmont. And is it just me or what is it called? Cards that you just open up like on that day and then they smell like really new. Okay, the new set now. Oh, that's a good sign. Okay, I got the black border. Okay, so, oh, I forgot the code card. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and let's crack it open. Wait, what? I think there's a different card trick on this. Oh my god! Dude. Bro, how did that happen? There's like 2 reverses and then an EX, what the heck? I guess I didn't do the card trick right, but what the heck, bro? Oh, bro, that was just the first pack of the new set, bro. Okay, now another Scarlet and Violet. Bro, it's just so hard to open. Okay, I got it open. Oh shoot, bro, we got another black border. Here's a code card. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Fiddle, Preemp, no, dude, I think I'm doing the thing wrong, like the card trick. I got a hollow. Okay, no, I'm just gonna skip because I want to keep the new set. Okay. Wait, dude, I just noticed something, guys. The EX, look at how much health it has. 320. And it does 230 damage. What the? Okay, we got another black border. Here's a code card. Okay. I'm just gonna not do a card trick. Then Didi, Carla, Switch, Vorcall, Straptor, Electric, Generator, Work Trio, Rocky Helmet, Puff, and a R-Ball. Bro, this is rigged. This was the side. Okay. Time for our next new pack. Bro, the new packs are so smooth to open. Like, look at how clean that is, bro. Oh no, I dropped the card. Hold up. Okay. I don't see any. Oh my, bro, this is rigged. Bro, look, it's a hollow all the time. Oh, shoot. What the heck? Dude, I had skipped this, bro. Bro. Oh, bro. How did I miss that, dude? How? Bro, there's no way, bro. So, dude, I don't know how I missed that. Okay, the last pack before the video ends. Bro, I keep getting the black border. That's sick. I think, oh no, dude. Uh-oh. I kind of messed it up and I think I didn't see anything. Here's a code card. Okay. So I didn't really see anything. It's a hollow, I bet you. Magikarp, Slowpoke, Litio, Rockruff, Grusha, Miss Magnus. I don't know what that is. Oh my god, bro. Well, at least we got these two cards. They're pretty sick. Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. And please subscribe to me because I want to at least get to 100 subscribers. We're not even close yet. But that's my goal for the end of this year. So thank you guys for watching my video. And please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And okay. Thank you guys. Have a great day.